Sharesies has released a new update to bring a long-requested auto-invest option for US companies, and this could be a real game changer for everyday investors. In the past, you could only use the auto-invest function for New Zealand-based ETFs, mostly from SmartShares, which makes the auto-invest option completely pointless for the majority of people. But now you can invest in more than 5,000 US companies with auto-invest. To create an auto-investment for US companies, go to your Sharesies menu and go to auto-invest, and then you can select DIY order. And from DIY order, you can create a DIY auto-invest order. So from here, you can select the companies that you're interested in investing in. So from here, I could select Apple and Microsoft, for example, and I can select both of those. And then you need to specify the percentage that you want to have in each investment. So let's say I want to spend 60% on Apple and 40% on Microsoft. Then I go to next, and then you can specify the amount that you want to put in for the company. So let's say if you want to invest 200 New Zealand dollars every fortnight starting at October 20th. And then you go to next, and then it will ask you for your password, and then you can confirm and set up your investment. Auto-invest orders are set to go out after 12 p.m. weekdays, and the money gets automatically taken from your Sharesies wallet. The same transaction fee for orders still applies, which is 0.5% up to $3,000 and 0.1% for amounts above $3,000. If you spend $30 on an order, it'll cost you 15 cents in terms of fees. If you spend $3,000 on an order, it'll cost you $15 in terms of fee. And if you spend $6,000 on an order, it'll cost you $18 in terms of fees. You can also invest in fractional shares with auto-invest. If there's not enough of the right currency, it'll automatically exchange using New Zealand dollars in your wallet. And Sharesie charges a 0.4% exchange fee. This is a real game changer because Sharesies is one of the very few brokers that currently offer an auto-invest option for US stocks. Now, I'm not sure why this feature isn't more popular with other brokers. Some other platforms offer auto-invest options, but mostly for ETFs and funds. If you set up an automatic payment from your bank to your Sharesies account and set up an auto-invest option for stocks, you can basically dollar cost average without having to manually buy the stocks all the time. Over the long term, dollar cost average has proven to be the way to make a significant amount of money. Now, if you sign up for a new account with Sharesies, you can use my code in the description for some free credits to help you get started.